Okay guys, today I'll be showing you how to get inside of the waterfall in Adopt Me. Right here. My friend is somewhere over here. I don't know where. Okay, so this person is so annoying. So this person... Okay, so my friend showed me how to do this. It's really cool. So you need to get a grappling hook, any kind will do. And all you have to do is do that, and then it'll glitch you inside it here. I'm not fully sure how to get in from here, and don't let it do that. Maybe it's somewhere up there. Maybe there's a glitch to get inside, but yeah, you have to glitch inside. But inside there's literally nothing. I think something will come during the drop through. So let's see. So yeah, I guess that's the end of the video. Bye.